What's up, you guys? My name is Jayden Garcia and welcome back to the YouTube channel. And in today's video, I have something that every beginner dropshipper absolutely needs, and that's winning products. And I don't just mean any random gimmicky product. I mean real dropshipping products that are brandable and something that you can sell year round. So that way you can stop wasting money on products that are just dead. So I'm going to be breaking down the top 5 winning dropshipping products that you need to be selling on your store here in June 2025 that are trending, converting, and are ready to scale. Each of these products have gone through extensive product research by myself and my team, and they're all based off of real data, ad performance, and buyer demand, not just guesswork. So if you're looking for a 6 or 7 figure winning dropshipping product, I'm gonna need you to lock into this video and make sure you stay all the way to the end because you're not gonna wanna miss this. But before we go ahead and get started, I would greatly appreciate it if you can drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. And also feel free to go down to the description and check out Unlimited Ecom Academy, which is my full A to Z dropshipping program. So if you wanna learn from myself and get step-by-step guidance on how to build your first profitable dropshipping business, go ahead and check out the program. Again, I'll leave it linked at the top of the description. All right, so product number 1 is definitely something that you can easily create a successful brand with. And I love products like this because it deals with a lot of before and afters. So this product right here is a bikini trimmer for women, okay? And there's multiple case uses. Like obviously you can just use the regular trimmer. It's nick proof and it's waterproof as well. Not only that, you can also take the head off, I believe, and then it comes like this to kind of like get more of a finer, smoother shaver. Okay, for my men out there, like, you know, like the wall shaver that they use at the end of your haircuts to really bald it. I'm guessing that's kind of what this is. Okay, so there's a bunch of high quality images that you can go ahead and use on your site. Now, I probably wouldn't use some of these. I would actually put them in a ChatGPT. If you didn't know that, you can put them in a ChatGPT and have it create you some better product images. But again, a lot of these are really good and definitely something that you can, make a lot better again with ChatGPT. You're gonna get the product for $10.84, and it's probably maybe closer to that $20 mark, even though this is the welcome deal. So I want to make that very clear. And you can easily sell this for $40, $50, okay? Because it's an electronic and it has a high perceived value. And each and every single product that I show on today's list is going to be backed by real data because we need to sell products that are actually working, not just taking guesses, okay? So as you see, this product right here is doing a daily average of 2.3K units, which comes out to $46,000 in daily revenue, okay? $1.2 million per month. And you can see over the past month or so, it's been pretty consistent, which is exactly what we're looking for. I found this video on TikTok and it's actually one of the highest converting videos for this product. And as you can see, it just says anti-bush girlies. A lot of people are using this angle for this type of product, just because obviously this is what women would buy this product for. It's showing that, you know, it's waterproof here in the next scene, I believe. And then on top of that, it's also going to show that, you know, it's easy. You can bring it on the go. So that way, if you were to miss a hair on your arm or your legs, you can easily just tap it up anywhere on the go. Okay, so as you see, 81,000 likes. Let me go back. 81,000 likes, 14,000 saves, 3,200 shares, and there's tons of people asking about the product, also complaining about the anti-bush thing. But hey, that's what you got to do with these videos. You got to be able to trigger your audience to get more engagement, so that way these videos can go more viral. And this video is doing a very good job at that. So if we check out the competitor, it's called Juvachick. It's definitely just a dropshipping general store. They're selling this product for $40 and they have all the colors on here, so make sure you do that as well. And they're selling one for $40, okay? Definitely a shipping fee on the back end. Now, if we scroll down, what real customers say, they show a bunch of different videos of people using the product. They have GIFs using it that look really good, clear. I like this a lot. They don't have any reviews, so if I could fix this, I definitely would make sure that you have reviews. Use something like A-Reviews, so that way you can import from Amazon, import from AliExpress with no issues. So this product page needs a lot more before and afters. If you don't have before and afters for this product showing before when you're hairy, versus, cleanly shaved, you're never going to be able to sell this product. So yeah, that's my recommendations. If you are going to choose this for your next product to test, definitely recommend you check it out. You definitely can make a full-fledged brand around this. Let's go ahead and hop into product number 2. You can't have a successful dropshipping business without a reliable supplier. So I want to interrupt today's video to show you a dropshipping supplier that's going to get you fast shipping times, and you'll be able to source each and every single one of these products that I'm showing you in today's video. Now, AutoDS is the supplier that I like to use because it's an all-in-one tool that not only gives me a reliable supplier, but it gives me product research capabilities as well. So when you log into the platform, you're going to get greeted by the marketplace section. This is going to show you all the products that AutoDS has to offer. offer sorted by niche. So it's easy for you to be able to find the type of products that you're looking for. You have home and garden products, home improvement products, outdoor products, sport and fitness. And I want to bring your attention to the shipping times because it's actually insane. So as you can see, shipping times within 7 business days, 7 business days, 9 business days. Most dropshipping suppliers will tell you that they can ship that fast, but in reality, they can't. And with AutoDS, you're going to have a reliable supplier and blazing fast shipping times. So when I find a product that catches my eye, I can easily just click on the product. This right here is a portable coffee maker. People love to spend money on their coffee. And once you bring this up, it's going to show you the product detail screen. It's going to show you the name of the product, the item cost, how fast the shipping time is, all of the product details and what it includes, and also supporting images of the product. What's great is if I'm interested in putting this on my store, all I have to do is just click on import draft. It's that simple. Once you do that, it's going to show up in your draft screen. As you can see, the product's right here. All I have to do is just click to edit. And what that's going to do is going to bring up the edit screen where I can customize everything that's going to go on my Shopify store, which is amazing. So I can customize the title. I can come over to the product page and actually, customize the description, remove the description if I want to. I can click on variants and add and remove any variants. This product only has 1 variant, so I'm good to go there. I can add or remove any images. I can also set a main image. So once it goes on my Shopify store, that'll be the one that shows up first. And then I can also mess with any of the item specifications. Now, I told you AutoDS makes it so simple. All you have to do after you're done customizing is come to the top and click on save and import, and it'll put it right on your Shopify store. So if you want a dropshipping supplier that's going to get you fast shipping, it's going to get you great quality products, and you're not going to have to worry whether or not your customers are going to get their products or not, I definitely recommend that you check out AutoDS. Go down to the link in the description, and that's going to allow you to try this on your Shopify store for only $1. Hopping into product number 2, we have this retractable detangling comb. Now, I absolutely love this product because it's in the beauty niche. It's one of my favorite niches out there because women spend a lot of money when it comes to looking good, okay? And this product helps with that. So as you can see, it's literally just a brush. So if you've ever seen like a brush that has a bunch of hair in it and you can't get the hair out and it just gets all disgusting, like this helps with that. So basically, if you brush your hair and hair gets, tangled in between, you can push this down and remove all of the hair, which you'll see in the ad that I show you here in a second. But as you can see, there are a ton of high quality images that you can go ahead and use on your site, and you can really make a full-fledged brand with this. There's so many different complementary products that you can sell with this main product here, okay? So as you can see, you're gonna get the product for $3.08, and me personally, I love that because you can easily do some sort of like buy one, get one free offer, okay? Because even at buy one, get one free, you're talking $6. You charge $24.99 for the bundle. So $25 minus $6 in product costs, you're talking $19 in profit to be able to do a buy one, get one free offer. Not too bad. So if we check out the competitor's TikTok page, they're calling this the Easy Comb. And if you can tell by the bio and all of the text on the screen, this is a Spanish-based company. But that doesn't matter at all, and don't let that deter you from selling the product. They're just selling it in a different market. So that means that we could possibly be selling it somewhere else. So if we check out the top video right here, it has 19 million views and it was just posted late January. It's literally just showing off the product, and like I told you guys, you can retract the bristles and take off the hair on the product, which is a massive problem solver for women, okay? So if we check out the engagement here, we got almost 900,000 likes, 2,800 comments, 104,000 saves, and over 315,000 shares, which lets you know that people are enjoying this product. So if we head over to the comment section, this just confirms that even more. I need this. I need this brush. These are the exact type of comments that you're looking for when it comes to finding winning products, and is one of the surefire ways to know that you have a possible winner on your hands. So we're just going to fly through this product page because again, it's in a different language, but you can still take some value from it, okay? First thing is they don't have a currency converter or a way to change the language, so definitely keep that in mind for your product page. But they're selling a 1-pack, a 2-pack, and a 3-pack. You're saving 15% on the 2 and 20% on the 3-pack. Now their product page isn't really the greatest from what I can see, but they do have some gifts showcasing the product. Now this is something like right here, this gift right here should probably be on the top here. I like to start my product page with the headline and then a gift right underneath. I never start my headline with an image underneath because people want to see the product in use. They don't want to just see a bunch of static images. But again, all in all, a very solid product. They do have some reviews, so I definitely would give this product a test. This is something you could sell year round and create a full-fledged brand. All right, so product number number 3 is something that pops up each and every single year. It's a product that's always a banger, and hopefully I don't get demonetized. So this right here is a custom thong. So there's literally nothing special to it other than the fact that you can put whatever word you want on the front. So it's a personalized product, okay? And once you see the video ads, you'll see why this crushes. So first off, there's tons of different styles, but also you can make some insane offers with this product. You're only going to get it for $2.41. So you can easily do a buy one, get one free offer and get tons of people to your site and make it a lot easier to convert purchases. Okay. Again, this product is an absolute banger. There's tons of different styles. And if you want to be able to build a personalized store, all you have to do is just download an app. Like, don't shy away from personalized products. It's a simple app that you can add on your Shopify store. So that way people can type in exactly what custom name that they want on their thong. And if we go ahead and check out the actual sales, it's 60K to 70K in US top sales. So it's a top product, and also 5K to 10K that is doing every 7 days in the women's wear and underwear category. So again, it's a product that's selling, it's working right now. That means you could come in and get a slice of the pie. All right, so checking out the competitor's ad, as you can see, the girl has the thong on and she's getting her man's reaction. That's pretty much how every video is starting for this type of product. Basically, it's just personalized lingerie. They have their offer on the screen. It's a super simple video, and there's tons of different clips of other people getting their man's reaction. So you can kind of do something similar, maybe change up the marketing angle a little bit to try to stand out. But anyways, this company's called Flawlux Co. And if you go to their page, they actually get a ton of views. They don't have much followers yet, but a lot of their videos are getting tons and tons of views. They're calling this product the Seductive Name Thong. They're selling it for $9.99 because the product cost is so cheap. So you can get really creative with these offers. They're doing one for $9.99, two for $17.99, three for $26.99, so on and so forth. Now, I'm not going to show the whole product page because I'm not trying to get demonetized. I'm pretty sure you know what a thong looks like, and this whole product page is just full of ass. Okay, so I'm not trying to get demonetized. Okay, so yeah, the product page looks solid. Tons of actual real people using the product, showing the product off, again, so on and so forth. So yeah, that's the product page. Again, I don't want to get demonetized, so let's hop right into product number 4. All right, so product number 4 is probably my favorite on this list. Now, I had to do some digging to be able to find this product because I saw this on TikTok Shop, so I wanted to share it. So I won't have like an actual competitor that you can look at, but I do have a TikTok Shop seller that you can look at, and you could take this product and run it on Meta ads. So this product right here, I know it's in like Chinese or whatever, but this is basically just a back massager. It's really cool. You can, I believe, wear it on your legs too. I'm not sure. Oh, okay, lower back, your legs. Okay, so there's a lot of different use cases for this product, but it's in a massive niche. People will spend a lot of money to reduce the back aches, neck aches, and things of that nature. And it just basically just massages your neck. It looks super satisfying in the videos that I saw, and it's going crazy viral with tons of sales on TikTok Shop. Okay, so as you can see right here, it's pretty damn consistent, and it's doing about 240K per month. And like I said, the video ads are going absolutely crazy. So like I said, this is a TikTok Shop product, so there's no Shopify store for this, but this product's pretty cool. It's cordless, so you can get a massage anywhere you want. Your neck, your back, your legs, and again, you can go wherever you want with this. This person's actually sitting at their desk. So it looks like it works. It looks like you can get a really good massage with this. And just because the product's selling for what, $39, $34, doesn't mean you can't bring this product to Meta and sell it for $50, $60 plus. Because a dropshipping hack for you guys, if you didn't know this, is bringing products from one platform that are performing well on TikTok Shop, for example, bringing it over to Meta. You'll get a new wave of new customers, and it'll be a lot easier to sell because the competition will be less. All right, you guys, so hopping into the 5th and final product on today's list. Now, this product has massive potential, and it's in the baby niche. So that means there's unlimited amounts of customers that you could sell this to. So this product right here is an AirTag holder for kids. So it's a shoe tree. You put your AirTag inside, you put it inside of your kid's shoe, and you could track them if you were to ever lose them. Obviously, with toddlers, they're always running around. If you were to go to like Disney and your kid runs away, you could track them. Okay, so you can really make some cool and like fear-based ads to parents and make them want to purchase this for their kids. And what's great about this product is it's very inexpensive. You get the product for $7.44. So you can do a buy one, get one for 50% off, buy one, get one free. And people would purchase more than one because people have more than one kid. So you definitely want to make sure that you have bundles set up on your website if you're going to sell this type of product. So if we check out the sales of this store, as you can see, in the past 30 days, views. They've actually done over $25,000, which is insane on such a simple product. The competitor we're going to be checking out is called Track Insoles, and it looks like they get pretty consistent views on their videos. They actually have a video right here that's got 2.9 million views. POV, people think you're overprotective, but you're just a good mama. Like I said, you could really get into the fear-based type of content. As you can see, literally putting the insoles inside of the shoes, and then you can track them wherever you go. I actually think it's a fantastic idea. All right, so if you check out their website is absolutely garbage, so we can just fly through this. Like, literally, that's it. No explanation really of the product. They have these fake parent testimonials, but no actual reviews, and it's just really bad. So there's no reason why you can't come in and make this 20 times better and get a piece of that pie. Because if this site is making $25K a month, there's no reason why you shouldn't be able to make a better looking site with a better offer and really be able to capitalize on this. All right, you guys, so that's going to do it for the video. I hope you guys did enjoy and that you found some products that you could potentially test. I really pride myself on finding good products that are actual winners that are making real money right now, just to help you guys out, because I know that finding winning products is a real struggle for beginners. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Drop a like, subscribe, all of that good stuff is greatly appreciated. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day or night whenever you're watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time.